Hi Irving Middle School, this is Lee R. Scott. I wanted to make this quick video just to show you how do you even get to Schoology and how do you get to the Schoology modules that'll teach you how to use it. So you need to go to lms.fcps.edu, bookmark that page, and your username is your FCPS username, so is your password. So if I go to that website, I'm going to log in with my username and password, and you're going to land on a home page probably like this. You might not have a whole lot of notifications. I'm not really sure what you'll see. This is personal to everybody. It depends on what courses and groups you're in, and all the updates feed here just like a Twitter or Facebook page. And you may also land on the course dashboard. Here you can see, I guess, all of the courses that you're in. You should see the personal course. This is something that only you have access to and you get to play around in. It's like your sandbox. You can see I've already played in my sandbox. I customized the picture in the top left. I added a banner. I have started building out where I would put my syllabus and other key resources and how I would organize my lessons and units. We do recommend that when you organize these things that you do include the date so that students and parents have an easier time navigating. So let's see, just to give you a sense of what Schoology can do. You can embed pictures. You can put links that either open up within Schoology itself or open up in a new tab. It's kind of nice to do that in Schoology itself. You can embed slideshows within your Schoology page. You can embed YouTube videos right in the page. You can collect assignments that students submit just like you used to in Google Classroom or Blackboard. Those can be attached to a rubric if you want. You can create assessments like quizzes or tests, and that's just an option. You can still use Horizon if you like using Horizon or Google Forms, but another option is to build it within Schoology. There's a lot of cool question types. And you can set rules. Like here I set a rule that students must make a submission before they'll be able to view the answer key. So how are you going to learn to do all of these things? Well, you have to go to your courses and look for this one, Pilot Schools, Getting Started with Schoology, Irving Middle School. If you don't see that there, try clicking on My Courses, and you'll see a list of everything you're in. You're looking for the Pilot Schools, Getting Started with Schoology, Irving Middle School course. When you click there, you will see these colored folders. Everyone's going to start in the red one. Notice you're actually not going to see this one at the top. A nice feature of Schoology is you can leave things unpublished so that if they're not ready to go live to your students or members, you can kind of keep them hidden in the background while you draft them up. So that's why you don't see this one. But you'll start in the red folder, and after you start there, you're going to either move to the orange or yellow folder next. When you get to the red folder, you'll see a few of these items, and I can actually navigate through all 5 of these using this next button. So you'll see the brief welcome, course navigation, course icons, and I really want to point out the parking lot discussion board. Please do, as you're working through these modules, record any questions you have here. The pilot team members are going to be monitoring this discussion board to provide answers to you, and will continue to flesh out and clarify things in the modules for all the people that come behind you so that we all have a smooth experience moving into Schoology. You'll also see some quick tips sprinkled throughout. If it's got My Bitmoji or anything like that, you'll know it's coming from Irving staff. It's not like IT official or Schoology or FCPS official, but these are our tips that we think will help you. After you're done with that red folder, you will move to either the orange or yellow. So let's say you're a teacher. You need to complete modules 1 through 5. Each of these modules has lessons, like this one. And after those lessons, they often tell you what you should attempt to do in your personal sandbox course, like practice uploading a file, practice adding a link. And when you navigate through these, hopefully they're in a logical order. You'll see some quick tips. And at the end of each module, you will see a learning assessment. And it will give you the right answer when you're done, so your score doesn't matter. But it's a really good way to make sure you know everything you're supposed to know. And we'll be kind of lightly monitoring those to see if anyone's having trouble even completing these modules in the first place. When you're done modules 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, you may want to look at the pink folder, and this is going to continue to grow probably throughout the whole school year. Right now we've got recordings, links to the webinars that the pilot team members attended. So if you want to boost your learning a little bit more, learn a couple advanced features, or if you really just learn best if you're kind of watching and playing along with a real human as opposed to these self-paced modules, this is a good option for you. There's some information here about how to use Blackboard Collaborate Ultra from within Schoology, because you'll notice this little button here. It's very curious, isn't it? So you can learn about that here. More information is coming. There's some complications in this road, but we're getting there. We're getting there, guys. And yeah, there's a few extras. This is going to grow throughout the year. So again, you're going to go to this course, you're going to start here, and if you have any questions, you're going to put them in the discussion board. All right, good luck. Have a good time.